Windows play a bigger role in your home than most homeowners realize. They affect comfort, energy efficiency, noise levels, and even property value. In Conshohocken, where homes range from charming older properties to modern builds, windows take a beating from seasonal temperature swings, humidity, and everyday wear. If you're unsure whether it's time to replace your windows, these key warning signs can help you decide before small issues turn into costly problems. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. If you feel cold air creeping in during winter or hot air seeping through in summer, your windows may no longer be sealing properly. Drafty windows make it harder to keep your home comfortable and force your HVAC system to work overtime. In Conshohocken's variable climate, poor insulation from aging windows can quickly lead to higher utility bills and uneven room temperatures. Rising energy bills, a steady increase in heating and cooling costs, without changes in usage, often points to inefficient windows. Older or damaged windows allow conditioned air to escape, wasting energy every day. Modern replacement windows are designed with improved insulation and energy-efficient glass, helping homeowners reduce monthly expenses while maintaining consistent indoor comfort. Condensation between glass panes, foggy windows, or moisture trapped between panes is a clear sign of seal failure. Once the seal breaks, the window loses its insulating properties, making it less effective against outdoor temperatures and noise. In addition to reduced efficiency, condensation can indicate excess moisture that may eventually lead to mold or frame damage. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or require extra force, the frames may be warped, swollen from moisture, or simply worn out. This is especially common in older Conshohocken homes where original windows have endured decades of use. Hard-to-operate windows aren't just inconvenient, they can also be a safety hazard in emergencies. Visible damage or decay, cracked glass, peeling paint, soft wood frames, or signs of rot are strong indicators that replacement is needed. Damaged windows compromise your home's protection against the elements and can allow water intrusion, leading to more extensive structural issues over time. Addressing window problems early helps preserve both your home's integrity and appearance. Outside noise is too loud. If street noise, neighbors, or nearby traffic seem louder than before, your windows may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. This is especially noticeable in busy parts of Conshohocken. Newer windows with upgraded glass and tight seals can significantly reduce noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Outdated appearance. Windows contribute heavily to curb appeal. If your home looks dated or mismatched, replacing old windows can instantly modernize its appearance. New window styles, frame materials, and finishes can enhance both the exterior and interior look of your home while increasing resale value. Frequent repairs. If you're constantly repairing locks, seals, or frames, replacement may be the more cost-effective option. Repeated fixes add up quickly and often only provide temporary relief. Investing in new windows offers long-term reliability, improved performance, and peace of mind. When to take the next step? If you've noticed one or more of these signs, it may be time to consider window replacement. For Conshohocken homeowners, new windows mean better comfort, improved energy efficiency, reduced noise, and a refreshed look. A professional window assessment can help you understand your options and choose solutions that fit your home, lifestyle, and budget. Replacing windows isn't just about fixing problems, it's about upgrading the way your home feels and functions every day.